AME Computers is your personal IT department with a team of experts to solve all your computer problems. Over 60 reviews on Google agree.
AME Computers has great customer service, and they're faster and more affordable than those other guys.
The pros at AME Computers are skilled in PC and Mac repairs, virus removal, data recovery, and component level repairs. Computer running slow? Get an AME tune-up and have it running like new. They'll fix broken iPhones, iPads, and iPods too. AME Computers, your personal IT department.